Hey everyone, welcome to the Planner Spot. I'm Sam, and today I'm going to show you what came in our January monthly subscriptions. So today is Monday. Subs got shipped out on Friday. Some of you have received your subs already and some are still waiting for your subs. And I know a lot of you like to be surprised. So as always, I'll show you the sticker kit first and then I'll warn you before I start sharing the stationery sub, which has the mystery items in it. So just in case you want to be surprised, I'll tell you when you can click out, but then make sure to come back because I am going to share one of the mystery items in our stationery sub. I wanted to show you a few cool things with it, so make sure to come back. So, sorry if I repeat myself, but I always like to explain, each part of the sub just in case there are new viewers and they want to know what comes in the sub in case they want to subscribe. So this is our sticker kit. This is our January sub, which comes with the March sticker kit. I know that's kind of confusing, but I do like to send out sticker kits well in advance so that way you have plenty of time to plan that month, and also so international customers can get their kits in time to plan. So I'll start with the full kit. This is the full sticker kit. It always comes with a free add-on. So this is the add-on for March. And basically it's just themed for spring. So lots of florals. You have here some pretty flowers, a flat lay with like a laptop, glasses, bow, and some more flowers. Here you have a flower arrangement with books, and then a field of flowers. I think those are called dandelions. I'm super bad at knowing different kind of flowers. But I just thought it was really pretty, super neutral because it's very heavily floral. So I wanted to keep it kind of neutral so it's not super, super girly. And then here's a little strip sticker that says you deserve your flowers. Basically, you deserve the praise, the props, the recognition, the acknowledgement, and all of that. So this is the March add-on. And then here is the March sticker kit. I called it Spring Fling. I have a feeling I might have used that name before, but that was years ago. So I'm reusing it because it's really cute for this kind of theme here. So I was trying to go for, of course, spring vibes, but also like a Parisian picnic type of thing. So that's why you have flowers here, candles, some cheese and meat boards, wine and stuff like that, as well as some other spring type art like dragonflies, sun hat, flowers, books. So that's your deco. And then here is your hand lettered sticker for March. You have your circle icons, and then the two icons for this month are for St. Patrick's Day and flowers for the first day of spring. And then you have headers. This is in a very pale grayish pink color, as well as the very thin washi strips. These are in that same color as the headers, and those are how thin the strips are, which are great for marking off a series of days on your monthly calendar, or you can use it as dividers between lists and stuff like that. And then you have two regular size washi strips here, which are this really cute like hexagon kind of beehive type of pattern here. So that's sheet A. And then sheet B are your full boxes, and then you get 8 full boxes, super pretty, again with those Parisian picnic type vibes, some flowers, rainbow, of course your planner and coffee or tea, and then a thinner strip of that patterned washi at the bottom. That's sheet B. Sheet C are your quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and checklists. This is in white, gray, that pale gray pink color, and then the pattern with some clip art in the half boxes. That's sheet C. And then sheet D are your labels. So there's some skinnier ones, some wider ones. All of them are 1 1/4 inch wide, as well as all our full boxes and pretty much all our boxes and headers. So you have headers here, 4 weeks of headers in that pale gray pink color, skinny washi strip here and some more circle icons there. So that's sheet D. So if you subscribe to the full sticker kit, that's what you get in there. And then if you subscribe for the mini sticker kit, you get the same add-on and the same sheet A, and then you get sheet E. So this is just a combination of the other sheets, full boxes, some flags, quarter boxes, and half boxes with the deco, and then the same color scheme and pattern. So that's sheet E. So that's the mini sticker kit. So those are the sticker kit subscriptions. If you subscribe to the Stationery monthly subscription, that's what I'm going to show next. So make sure to click out if you want to be surprised, but come back. So first I'll show you the calendar card, because this is what you get in every Stationery subscription. So for January, you get the March calendar card to go along with the March sticker kit if you subscribe to the sticker kits. So on the front is Monday to Sunday, on the back is Sunday to Saturday, with some lines on the bottom if you want to write any notes about dates here, or you could use this as a habit tracker or something like that, or just like a nice quote would be cute down there. So that's the first item in the Stationery sub. The second item you get is always 2 sheets of vellum, and so here you have just a really pretty line art, super minimal, but really pretty for layering. As you can see, the vellum is like a frosty, transparent, thick vellum. Really good quality vellum. So that's one. All our vellum comes in 6 inches by 8.5 inches, so you can trim down to your planner size. And then here's the other one, a super pretty, like abstract, leafy pattern with black and pink and kind of like grayish colors. So pretty, and even together, I thought these look so pretty layered together, and even with your calendar card, like how pretty is that? So those are 2 of the items you get in your Stationery sub, and then you get 2 mystery items. Sometimes it's more stickers, sometimes it's a completely new item. For instance, this month is a new item, and the first mystery item is this pen. It's a Frixion pen. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I love my Frixion pen. I've been using my Frixion pen for years at this point, and I would never put this in a sub if I didn't back it up 100%. I've been wanting to put this in a sub for a while, but I've been nervous about how it would be received. But I get so many questions about my Frixion pen, and I've been using it for so long, and I don't really use any other pen besides highlighters in my planner. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna put it in and let you guys try it if you haven't tried it before. These are custom made, so on the side, I don't know if you can see here. So there, you can see I got it imprinted with Jammin on my planner, which I thought was super cute to have in our little like pen loops in our planners. It has a white barrel with a gray like rubber grip here, and then the eraser here. So it's the Frixion. One thing I did want to mention is that it is a 0.7 tip, and I didn't realize that. I could have sworn when I got the samples it was a 0.5 tip, because that's what I use, but they all came in 0.7 already like printed on. So I decided to go ahead and use them. I do use a 0.7 in some instances, like in my memory planning, where I want a little bit of a thicker, darker ink. It is very easy to switch out to a 0.5 refill, and I have that linked on my Amazon page. I'll link it down below, so you can easily switch that out, but I'll show you a comparison in just a minute of the different sizes of the pen tips so you can see. And then to go along with the pen, the second mystery item is this notepad. So I designed this notepad to be super versatile. You could use it in a number of different ways, which I'll show you in just a minute, a few examples. But basically, it's 50 pages, just white with black lines, and you have some like checklists on the side, a grid section here on this side, and then a little space up here. And let me show you some different examples of how you can use this. So my first example is if you want to use it for planning out your day. I know not everybody uses daily inserts, but sometimes you might have a busy day where this type of insert might come in handy to map out your day. So here at the top, I just put the date. I have 2 checklists here, personal task and business tasks. And then up here, I have like a little section for, you could put like a holiday up there, day off, birthday, or something like an all day type of thing here. I use a little page flag to remind myself to do some health tracking. And then I have my daily schedule here. So I just wrote in the numbers, 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. And then I just kind of put in some examples of my schedule there. So that's a great way to use this note page, is for daily planning. You can also use it for weekly planning. So sometimes, I know a lot of us, we get in a funk, we get too busy, we're between planners or something like that, and we just need to grab a note paper to quickly plan out our week. So this is a great way to use this notepad. I put the week up here, so week of January 31st to February 6th. I put a to-do list here, and then I put meal planning here. So I intentionally put 7 boxes here, so you can use it blank as a checklist, or you can put in the days of the week. So if you want to do something like this, planning out your dinners, your Instagram posts, you know, tracking something, you can use it in that way too. And then here, I purposely put 21 rows here, so you can split it up into 7 days. So here I have Monday through Sunday, and then I just put my different appointments, holidays, and stuff like that on the days. So this is a way you can plan out your whole week on one page if you're just trying to do something quick and easy. The other example I have is for planning your weekend, and I know I'm going to be using this notepad a lot in this way because I do use daily inserts, but a lot of times I don't need a full daily insert for my weekends because I try to keep that a little bit more low key and stuff like that. So this notepad would work out perfectly because I just split up Saturday to-dos here, Sunday to-dos here, and then here I just have my Saturday schedule here and my Sunday schedule here because it's usually a little bit more light. I'm a little bit more flexible. So this is a great way to just plan out your weekend. I just put the dates up here. Again, you can use this space for anything. I use a page flag for reminders and stuff like that. So that's another great way to use this notepad. And then I have one other example, which is for project planning. So my daughter's birthday is coming up, so I kind of sketched it out here to see how I would use this notepad for project planning. So I just put the title of the project here. I have a to-do list and a to-buy list. And then I just use this side for notes. So notes of what she wants to eat for her, different birthday meals, the theme of her birthday that she wants, and stuff like that. So I thought this was another great way to use this notepad. So there's probably like dozens of more ways you can use it. That's why I purposely made it very general without headers and stuff like that, so you can use it any way that works for you. So I hope you guys like that along with the pen. I thought it was such a cute idea. So let me show you guys the difference. So here, this is the same pen, but I put a 0.5 refill in here. So here's the difference. Here's the 0.7. So this is Frixion is it 0.7 or 0.7? You guys know what I mean. So that's how that looks. And then here's the 0.5. So here's the difference between 0.7 and 0.5. So you can see 0.7, of course, is more inky, darker, but not too bad, not super, super thick. And also I think when you first write with the pen, the ink is gonna flow a little bit thicker, and then the more you use it, it thins out a bit. But I just wanted to show you a comparison. So that's it. That is everything that came in our January stationery and sticker subs. The January sub that contains these items is already closed and shipped. However, extras will be listed next Friday. Friday. So not this Friday, which is February 4th, I believe, but the following Friday, extras will come to the main shop. The February subs will open tomorrow, Tuesday, February 1st, and it will have completely new items. I'll try to do a couple of sneak peeks, and then those spots will close midnight Pacific on February 14th. And that's it. I hope you guys love this sub as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.